guys came by helicopter to Blackbutt Bakery to buy meat pies. What did you think, guys?
Awesome.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, it's another hot morning. It's still middle of spring in sunny Queensland, or super sunny Queensland. And today we're going for a ride to a bakery that I've been to before. But the special thing about this bakery that I'm going to is that the stuff is good. So it's worth going there for a bite to eat and a coffee, but also the pies are apparently so good, and I've got to go and find a news clipping of it, but apparently some blokes landed a helicopter there one day, dropped down in a helicopter close by, walked up to the bakery, grabbed some pies and headed off again. That was it. That's what they stopped there for, was to grab a pie at the Blackbutt Bakery. So I figure they're pretty good pies. So we'll go and have a coffee and something to eat, and see what we got at the Blackbutt Bakery. It's going to be a hot one. We're going to be about 35 by the time we return at around about lunchtime my time. So it's just prior to 7:30 now. So it's 7:30 in the morning, so it's already warm at 21 degrees, which is warm for spring morning. So especially up here in Toowoomba. So Toowoomba will get to about 30. We'll probably get to about 35 down there in the valley. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, the ride's going to be out through Crow's Nest, and then through the forestry, down to Blackbutt, and then back up through Yarraman, Cooya, Oakey and home. So that trip on the way home is going to be super hot, and I intend to try out a vest that I bought. I bought a cooling vest, and trying a trick that I saw on a video from Purple on 3, where you cool the vest in the water and stick it into the little cooler bag. So I've got a 6-can cooler bag, and the vest is in there in a plastic Ziploc bag that I put the whole lot in the fridge overnight to cool it off, and the bag is in the front, right at the bottom, and hopefully probably around about Cooya, I reckon, I'll stick that on. So that'll be pretty close to about 11 o'clock in the morning, so it'll be pretty warm by then. So I'll stick that cooling vest on and see how that goes on the way back from Oakey, and give you a bit of a report on it and see if it works or not. Alright, I'm going to switch you off for a tick while I ride out to Highfields and quickly put some fuel in, because otherwise I won't make the trip. I didn't fuel up after last weekend's ride. I was just too hot and too exhausted. Alright, so we have fueled up, which is good, and we are now on our way. So it's just after 7:30. Yeah, we stood there. I just sat there for a very small period of time. It's 36 on the concrete, that servo, and that was in the shade. So I'm it's a little bit hot. There we go. We'll get out for the cyclist. Yeah, we'll. Plenty of time. You won't even have to break stride, as they say. Yeah, so my BP app worked. It's a miracle. It's a miracle, so that's good. All right, we'll get on our way. We'll have a very quick stop just at Crow's Nest, just to quickly fill up the water again, because it's drinking lots of water today because it's so hot. And then we'll find our way through to sunny Blackbutt. Okay, so just filled the water bottle up at Crow's Nest, and we are on our way to Blackbutt. Should be there in about about an hour. Yeah, it's about an hour's ride from here to Blackbutt, so we'll enjoy that bit of a ride and should get there about 9 a.m, all going well. And yeah, really enjoyed the morning so far. It's nice weather for early morning. Not so great from about 10 o'clock onwards, so it's that time of year where you go, yep, give me some early morning riding, and after that, yeah, get and tuck up in somewhere cool in the shade. Alright, we'll see you along the way. We'll get probably get a bit of musical interlude or something like that as we go along. But I'm just going to enjoy the ride. Oh, delete. Just missed a big pothole. Don't know how to do that. More luck than good management. Ain't no water in the creek today. Dry last few weeks. As you can see by the grass on the side, there's not much green to it. And just on the edge of a little mini drought at the moment in southeast Queensland, so hopefully we can rectify that soon with some rain, but there's none on the forecast immediately. Didn't bottom out. Oh, I tell you what, the old YSS shocks are working well on the front there. Where's that back one actually, since I gave it a pump up to there and reset it? Put the air out of it completely and then got it to reset it, so it's come up pretty good since then. To stop, but they certainly stop better than normal ones. You can expect that from a new set of brake pads and also rotors.
Times like all you want
It's a beautiful little creek, this one. So right by the farm there on the left there, there's pumping water out of it. Bust this old girl. It's a sway behind good shops, but still be a big bus. Know your limitations, just do your truth. Okay, this is this, as I call it, the Pariro Bay section. Where all of a sudden you see the sign up here ahead that says, oh, we're changing shires to South Burnett. And of course it gets as bumpy as hell and skinny. So South Burnett Shire, how about you come to the party, peeps, and put some decent road in here. It's really a damn good ride. Because of this shit road. Because it's not just skinny, it's pretty bumpy. There's a really big pothole right up the end of it up here. Well, welcome to Blackbutt, home of the famous Blackbutt Bakery. I'm still trying to figure out in my head where on earth this helicopter was supposed to have landed. But I'm sure that if I can find a news article on it, we'll get some information as to what and where. There's lots of bicycles around here because there's a rail trail which still goes from here up to Yarraman. Arriving at the Blackbutt Bakery. Right, you bolt after the truck because that truck's a bit big. It's a bit big for me. There we go. Oh mate, in the car there beside me is going, damn, I was going to go in there. Daft ditties. Alright, we're here. How look at that. Got the dog in the back of the ute. Hey puppy. Busy. Alright, come have a look. Well, we are away. I'm just going to quickly U-bolt here. I've picked up Doug and Wendy. They've joined me here at Blackbutt. They're heading back to Roma. So I'm going to show them the way to get the quick back way to go there. Yep. We're away. Please stay there, big fella. You too. Come on, Doug. Oh, they were away. Oh, well, yeah, the bakery is okay. The pie was yum. Big fan of their pies. Their vanilla slice was a bit average. Coffee was, yeah, a bit the same. It was okay. It wasn't great. Pie was fantastic. So, yes, I understand why those blokes got themselves a helicopter to the pie shop. It's very understandable. It was quite good. Nice and breezy. It's not as hot today as it was last weekend. Bit of interesting stuff back there. Pretty good. Little village. So we'll head up from here to Yarraman. Take a left at Yarraman down to Kuya. Stop very quickly at Kuya to go to the toilet. And then I'll show these guys where the turn off is to Can-Am and I'll head from there to home. Welcome to Yarraman. So this is up on the top of the range and up on top of the plateau anyway, and part of the, believe it or not, it's part of the Brisbane Valley, even though you're up on a higher plateau. But yeah, you can go up here to Yarraman for the weekend on your bicycle and do the rail trail, or you can come up here and stay for the weekend. There's some really nice places to eat and sleep and drinking up here. Some good little coffee shops and a great little butchery place that's just opened up the road here with smoked meats, etc., which is awesome. Oh, and they're putting a new servo in, even better. Apparently the bakery just here has improved out of sight. Interesting to see how that's going. But yeah, Yarraman. It's only small but very nice. Alrighty, so we're about to hit the Kuya range, and Kuya range stops at the top at about 644 metres above sea level, and up to the right is the Bunions, which are about 1,000 metres above sea level, so there's a bit of a rise up to them. You can turn right here and go through Maidenwell. There's a new bitumen road which takes you up to the Bunions, and it's really nice up through there. It's a beautiful ride. I don't think it's a place you want to take Doug and Wendy. I'm just trying to get them through to the back way to Can-Am. But no matter which way we go, we're going to do some twisty stuff. Doug will be looking down his map now going, oh gosh, there's some wiggly lines on it. And it is. Yeah, this is pretty placid at 60k an hour through here. Welcome to Kuya. I'm going to drop it here quickly and go to the toilet. Kuya. Wendy and Doug. Magic. Alrighty, so I have in fact got a cooling vest on now and giving that a go. I'm just leaving Kuya. Just a quick re-stop there before I let these guys get away from me down the road. Yeah, we're all good. Through Kuya. Only a small place. It'd be beautiful if they got that cafe working again over there. That'd be awesome. the cafe. Oh, hello. Looks like they're resurrecting the cafe. Keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on the cafe at Kuya. See if they bring it back. Alrighty, I'll drop these guys up here up the road to Dalby. Well, at least on the way to Dalby Kuya. A little twisty bit through here. Alrighty, get past. See you later, guys. See you, mate. Well, we're just rolling here into Colpie, or Colpie. I'll call it Colpie. And yeah, it's I've got the cooling jacket on, but I've got it over the top of the cotton t-shirt. And it's working, it's feeling cooler now. I might have a bit much water in there to start with, but it's feeling better now. I don't think I'll put it straight against the skin because it's could be a bit rashy because it's a sort of a weird plasticky looking material. But it seems to be working, but I reckon you can double up and use it as a bit of a dry way and make it yourself warm in winter as well, without putting any water into it. But yeah, it seems to be going right. There's definitely cool around the back area. Yeah, so it's taken over there, and I think it just had to get some wetness through the t-shirt to start with, so it's pretty good. Big fan of that. Okay, righto, we'll keep the cool jacket. We'll take it with us on trips, on the hot trips. Seems to be working, but yeah, fill it up, wet it down, put it in the esky bag and keep it in there and pull it out when you're ready to go. Working well. Alright, well that's me done for the day. I'm going to turn off the camera and I'm just going to enjoy the rest of the ride home. Turn my tunes up and just bang my head all the way home to Toowoomba, which is a warm one though, 35 degrees, but that cooling vest, yeah, it seems to be working. Getting a bit of chill through it now, it's good. Just took a little while to get the wetness through the t-shirt. You've got to wet the t-shirt first. Alright, have a good one folks. Hope you've enjoyed the ride, I know I did. And fancy taking a helicopter to get a pie. Not me, but someone else.
Guys came by helicopter to Blackbutt Bakery to buy meat pies. What did you think, guys?
Awesome.
Thank you very much. Thank you.